Hey, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com, place to sell your used screen printing equipment and how to repair them. Here's a tutorial on the front clamp, front registration on an M&R Sportsman, Challenger, or Gauntlet style press. So to be able to register, you have to loosen this up, and that would be more for setting it up before you to register the film, or if you're using the tri-lock and such. So these should all be free, all these knobs left and right. And before you even try to register this, you should zero out these targets with the micro registration, because you don't want it too far forward or too far back. You want it in the middle, because these micro registration knobs only go so far. Because look at right there, it can only go like, I would say 3/4 of an inch all the way around. So if it's all the way up here, it's not going to be able to come back this way. So once you register the press, you lock in the frames in the front and back, and you tighten down this side and this side. Okay, and then you run your press and make sure it's in register. So to make fine adjustments, you would unlock the rear frame and then unlock you unlock this, but you keep the frame locks in the front locked, and then you can adjust this slightly left and right and so forth, just how you need it. Like, I'm more of a graphic printer, so I like to put my finger on this little nub right here, and you can feel how far forward or back it goes. So that's my little trick. So, and once you get it in, you lock the rear frame, and you do this. If you try to move the registration with the rear frame locked in, it's just gonna it won't move. So you have to unlock the rear frame for the most part, but not the front. So, and what will happen is when you need to adjust it again, this will slide. Once you loosen this, it will pop in some direction, whichever the tension is. So when you're done, you have to lock these again, lock the rear clamps, and see if it's in registration. So these things are very heavy now. I've taken off a lot of components, but if you see it in the video, it's available for sale. So if you need some parts, let me know, and replace these knobs if they get bent or they start binding, and keep it lubed behind here. M&R is now, I believe, making threaded rods. It's a little bit different now that I have more threads per inch, so that helps with very fine tuning. And I guess they have these springs so you have anti-backlash when you loosen this, and it doesn't jump on you. So this is a quality print head, and it really hasn't changed since they're too much. It's just heavier than the first Gauntlets and Challengers, this big heavy cast, which heavier means better for print heads, I believe. That's how I think of it. So it doesn't shake as much, and it's more robust. If you like this video, I'll be doing a lot more. The content is on YouTube and Screen Print Exchange. Please like and continue to support this channel. It's simple to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.